Multi-currency management. Click on the multi-currency menu on the left. On the General tab, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see the currencies list. Default currency is your store-based currency, and the exchange rate will always be 1. Here, you can set the currency to be used, symbol position, manually set exchange rates, add markup to the rates, set decimals, and update the current rates. For example, if you want to add a 20% markup on the daily exchange rates, simply change the exchange rate fee to 20 and select percentage as the type. Then click on the blue Save button at the bottom to save these settings. The new pricing will be applied on the store front page. By default, the system will automatically update all the exchange rates once a day. If you want to manually update all the rates, simply click on the grey Update All Rates button, then click Save. That's it. Please subscribe for more great tutorials.